The 2024 Ferrari SP-8, the latest addition to Ferrari's exclusive one-off series, has been unveiled, showcasing the brand's commitment to customization and individual client specifications. Designed by the Ferrari Styling Centre under Flavio Manzoni's leadership, this mid-rear-engined V8 is based on the F8 Spider, inheriting its layout, chassis, and acclaimed 3.9-liter V8 twin-turbo engine. As part of the Special Projects program, the SP-8 represents the epitome of Prancing Horse customization, catering to the desires of discerning clients. Named after its powerful engine, the 2024 Ferrari SP-8 pays homage to the 3.9-liter V8's excellence, having won the prestigious Engine of the Year award 4 times consecutively. The car's client, hailing from Taiwan, adds a cultural touch by incorporating the number 8, considered lucky in Chinese culture, symbolizing success and good fortune. This bespoke roadster distinguishes itself by having no roof, emphasizing its sporty character and providing an exhilarating open-air driving experience. A significant aspect of the Ferrari SP-8 is its meticulous aerodynamic refinement, achieved through extensive CFD simulations, wind tunnel testing, and track evaluations. The car's unique design features unpainted carbon fiber elements, creating a striking two-tone effect from front to tail. The absence of a retractable hardtop allowed for a radical restyling of the tail section, providing a full volume with a top belt line. The front of the 2024 Ferrari SP-8 showcases a commanding full-width, cast aluminum grille with a 3D printed mold. Collaboration between the Ferrari Styling Centre and the aerodynamics team optimized the grille's elements to channel airflow to the front radiators effectively.